This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. The color of this Ultra Limited is vivid black. It's a very low mileage Limited. It only has 5,115 original miles on the odometer. This bike is not even broke in, and it is ready for the highway. Great bike for your next road trip. This bike is in like new condition, and for a black bike, that's hard to find. Usually somebody messes up the paint, swirls or scratches it, cleaning it improperly, but this bike, the black paint, is fantastic. It has the LED headlight, LED driving light, LED fender tip light, LED lights on the tour pack. So this bike has a lot of visibility for your safety. The seat's in like new condition, has no holes, no tears, no cuts. Very comfortable touring seat, not only for the rider, but especially for the passenger. Being the limited model, it has the 6.5-inch boom stereo system, which has AM, FM weather band. Also has GPS navigation, either through the Bluetooth or hardwire. You can pipe the music from your iPod or your phone directly into the stereo system and control it either with the touch screen or the hand controls. Has cruise control, heated grips, the smart security system. Being the 2018 Limited, it's equipped with a 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, so you have plenty of horsepower and torque. The one latch saddlebags, the one latch redesigned tour pack, nice chrome Harley premium luggage rack. A nice option that's been added to this Ultra Limited is the Cobra Chrome 4-inch slip-on mufflers. They're called the neighbor haters. They're really not that loud. They just have a deep rumbling sound. The Harley Davidson Chrome long arm highway pegs have been added with the chrome and rubber foot pads, so you can find the sweet spot for these highway pegs for your next road trip. Give you a lot of good comfort. Nice chrome pop-up gas cap. Has the redesigned fairing that has the vent in the front, which helps with the buffeting not only for the rider, but also helps some for the passenger. Nice chrome contrast cut wheels front and rear. added to this bike are LED blue accent lights. There's a little switch right here on the rider's leg heat shield. Highlights the engine, the rear part of the bike. It's not really overdone. It's a little subtle. Nice little on and off switch. If you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 2018. It's nicely accessorized, it's in like new condition, low mileage, ready for the highway. Don't get stuck paying $30,000 and throwing in a couple thousand of accessories. Getting stuck with the dealer's mystery fees that always get added on. And call Will at Dream Cycles USA. We can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.